Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Zahra and my student number is 151525200010. I'm a student of the English Education Study Program from the Faculty of Education and Humanities at Universitas Muhammadiyah Semarang. Okay guys, have you ever heard stories like Cinderella, Snow White, or Maling Kundang? Well, those stories are called narrative text. Today, I would like to explain about narrative text, include its function, purpose, genre structure, language feature, and example. Okay guys, what is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or series of events. The story can be imaginary or based on real events. Usually, narrative texts are created to make readers or listeners feel entertained and interested in the story. Now, let's talk about the function and purpose of narrative text. The function of narrative text is to tell stories in an interesting way. Meanwhile, the purpose is to entertain the readers or listeners and sometimes give moral lesson or valuable message about life. Okay guys, narrative text also has a genre structure. There are three main parts. The first is orientation. This part includes the character, the setting, and the time of the story. The second is complication. In this part, the character faces problem and conflict. And the last is resolution, where the problem is solved and the story comes to an ending. Besides generic structure, narrative text also has language features. Narrative text usually use past tense because the event happened in the past. It also uses action verb, descriptive word, and dialogue and time conjunction such as then, after that, and finally to make the story more interesting. Okay guys, for example, one of the most narrative text is Cinderella. The story tells about a kind girl who was treated badly by her stepmother and stepsister. However, with the help of a very good mother, she finally met the prince and lived happily ever after. From this story, we can learn to stay kind and patient in difficult situations. So, we can conclude that narrative text is a text that tells stories to entertain people and teach moral values through interesting events and characters. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!